guys. I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are getting proud of me because I'm getting better with technology. You know how that has been issue number one for me all year long, but we're getting there. So I already posted a video for the previous assignment that was about word problems that you need to do both for your goal and for your grade. So today we're going to go over the next one. This one I'm going to give you unlimited attempts on because this one is not all multiple choice like the last one. This one you're going to have to type in some answers to get graded. And so I want to give you as many attempts as you need for those types of problems. So we're going to go through a couple of these together. I believe, let's scroll all the way down. I think there's 10. Yep, there's 10 questions. Okay, and as you can see, some of them have blanks where you're going to type in your answer, and then others are multiple choice. I am going to focus on the ones where you have to type in your own answers because I think the multiple choice ones, you can kind of use the answer choices to guide you to see if you're on the right track. So let's look at the very first one. It says Mark has triple the amount of friends that Ted has. Ted has half as many friends as Bill. If Bill has 20 friends, how many friends does Mark have? Okay, so we actually need to work backwards here. We know how many friends Bill has. Bill has 20. But in order to figure out how many friends Mark has, we need to figure out how many Ted has first. Okay, so Bill has 20. If you look at the information that's given to you, it then says Ted has half as many friends as Bill. So Ted has half of 20. Okay, and if you do the math, you can use a calculator, paper and pencil. Half of 20 is 10. So then Mark has triple the amount of friends that Ted has. So Ted, we just found out, had 10 friends. So if Mark has triple of that, remember triple means 3, we're going to multiply 10 by 3 to get 30. Okay. So for questions like this, you just click in that box and type your answer in there. Okay. Question number 2 bases the answer off of what we just did in the last one. It wants to know how many total friends the boys have. So you have to combine Bill, Ted, and Mark together, okay, to get question number 2. So 3, 4, 5, and 6 are multiple choice. And one thing I want to point out is that all of these are multi-step problems, so you are going to have to do more than one thing to find the answer. Okay, so if you only do one operation, if you multiply one time, or you divide one time, or you add one time, or you subtract one time, you are not finished. All of these you will need to do at least 2 operations for. Okay. So let's do number 7 because number 8 bases its answer off of that. Number 7 says there are 3 activities at a school carnival: hoop shoot, dunking machine, and cakewalk. The dunking machine has 1/4 the amount of students in line than the cakewalk. The cakewalk line has 7 fewer than the amount of students in line for the hoop shoot. If 15 people are in line for the hoop shoot, how many people are in line for the dunking machine? Okay, so we're going to do kind of the same thing that we did in the last one. So we're going to start with the 15 people in line for the hoop shoot. Before we can find the number of people that are in line for the dunking machine, we have to find the number of people that are in line for the cakewalk. Okay, so it says the cakewalk has 7 fewer people than the hoop shoot. Hoop shoot has 15, so if the cakewalk has 7 less than that, you're going to do 15 minus 7, which is 8. Okay, and then the dunking machine has 1/4 the amount of students in line than the cakewalk. There's 2 ways to do this problem. If you have a calculator, you can do 1/4 times 8, but that is actually the same thing as doing 8 divided by 4. Okay, so if you do 8 divided by 4, you get 2. So we'll put 2 there. And then again, question number 8, kind of bases itself off of question 7. So you can use that information there to help you. And then I'm going to leave 9 and 10 up to you. I showed you how to do 1 and I showed you how to do 7. So hopefully that'll help you work through question 9. And again, number 9 will help you answer number 10. Just remember that double means multiplying by 2 and triple means multiplying by 3. That's the main thing that you'll need to remember to help you with those. Okay. So work through those. Again, I'm going to give you unlimited attempts on this one because it's not all multiple choice. So it's a little bit harder to kind of figure out where you're going wrong. If you do it a couple times and you're just not figuring it out, send me a message or an email and we'll figure something out and work together to figure out a way for you to start to understand these a little bit better. We can do it question by question if we need to through messages and email. Okay, again, I hope you guys are continuing to do well and be well, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you soon. Bye.